So hello everyone, welcome to my channels. Try to elevate. So how you guys? Hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today I'm going to talk about one of the important topic I would say, which really help us in order to improve our spoken English and enhance our fluency. So in this video I'm going to talk about these few factors. So before talking about these few factors, I would like to talk about my experience first. Guys, I wanna share some experience what I have experienced so far in my life in the journey of spoken English. See, it's been a long journey. I have been making a practice in order to improve my spoken English and making conversation with the people for a long time. It has taken a long time. It has taken years and years. But after spending many times, now I'm able to stand in front of the camera and record my videos. So I got this confident not in just one day. It took many years. Although initially I was not trying to record any of my videos, but I was maintaining my consistency to improve my fluency. But when I experienced that, now I have got the level where I can hold the like conversational video and where I can like record the videos related English conversation. Then I started making this video. So what I have followed guys to uh, take myself to this level, I always have been listening my own instinct. I always have been following my own gut feelings. See, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of informations is out there, okay, and there are multiple of people are there to give you multiple of ideas, okay. They are giving you a lot of advice, so listen them, but follow only what you have to follow. What you have to follow only the things where you are having interest. Like, see, as we know that listening, writing, speaking, and what is the fourth one, reading, okay, these four are the factor which you follow, then definitely going to help you there in your communication skills and going to grow you to get fluency, okay. So out of these four factor, no need to follow every factor. Follow the only those factor where you are having interest. See, but in my case what I have been following for a long time, listening and speaking, because it has been my strong point, and I have been taking interest. Really I felt very good once I complete 30 minutes of videos or 25 minutes of videos on the daily basis. But once you listen any podcast video or conversational video, so don't try to be a passive listener. If you are spending your time, okay, on listening something just for the learning purpose, so please listen actively, okay. So don't think about other things when you are listening something to learn that things, okay. So this is my experience. I have never started thinking about anything else once I started listening any English conversational videos or podcast. So this is one thing what I have been following for a long time to improve my spoken English. And second things what I have followed, that is shadowing practice. Actually initially I was not doing this practice because I was not familiar with this practice, but later after watching a few videos and spending some time in this field, I have heard by many I would say speakers, English speakers, English learners, that shadowing practice really help you compared to the other practice. Okay, it really gives you a better result and instant result compared to the other practice like writing and reading. Writing and reading is also good if you have a choice. If you are good at reading and if you have interest in writing, then you can go for them. You can go with them. Otherwise, do the things whatever you like. So this is my experience, what I have did to improve my English. Still I didn't improve my English, but I am improving gradually. I am making practice on the daily basis. But one thing, keep in your mind, don't give up. Once you give up, once you make a few gap, then again you will go to the square one. So never give up, and try to maintain your consistency. So definitely it will take you to the level where you can hold the conversations, and you can speak in front of the camera, and you can talk with the people confidently. So that's all. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please follow, like, and give me a comment.